Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Before this video starts, I would like to share with you guys the results of the polls I posted. So here's the first one. And all of you guys voted for yes. So I posted another poll, and the results tied. So to break the tie, I posted another poll on Instagram. And for some reasons, it tied once again. So I decided to post a poll here on YouTube. And finally, you guys broke the tie. And the victory goes to not to use po and opo for my upcoming Filipino-English videos. And because you guys have decided, simulan na natin ngayon ang video. I received a comment from Jelaine Diang. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. And sabi niya, "Hi, meron po ba kayong mga video na how-to? Like, how to apply nail polish nicely?" And that's what we'll do sa video ngayon. I usually place the products na kailangan ko around my working area. Pero hindi niyo siya laging nakikita sa videos ko kasi naka-zoom in lagi para close up lang sa nail. So, ganito usually yung setup. Nandyan ang peel-off base coat, paper towel, lalagyan na ng nail polish remover na may nail polish remover na laman, cleanup brush, at patungan ng brushes. So, unang-una, mag-a-apply ako ng base coat sa nail. Inuuna kong applyan yung gitna ng base ng nail ko, then brush upwards. Then, both of the sides. Ipapakita ko next yung close-up para mas makita nyo ng husto. So, ayan. Push ng onte towards sa gitna ng base ng nail, then pataas. Then, move nyo yung hand nyo pa side para mas madaling applyan ng nail polish yung sides ng nail. So, ngayon, sa thumb naman. I usually apply 2 coats for this peel-off base coat. Pero if you're using a regular base coat, 1 coat is enough. Now, let's proceed on applying nail polish. So, ganun pa rin naman ang way. By the way, para hindi sobrang konti yung application ng nail polish sa nails, ganito ang ginagawa ko. Pinapahid ko yung brush sa isang side. Then, I apply it pataas ng konti sa gitna ng base, then upwards. Tapos, to the sides ng nails. Mas okay din kung huwag kayong magmamadali sa pag-a-apply ng nail polish para konti lang ang lalagpas, and maganda rin na nakalay ng flatly yung hand nyo on a table. Pati na rin yung nag-a-apply ng nail polish na hand nyo. This way, your hands won't be shaky. Kung lumagpas yung pag-a-apply nyo ng nail polish, all you have to do is brush it off with a cleanup brush dipped with a nail polish remover. Then, ipat nyo yung brush sa paper towel from time to time. Depende kung sobrang soaked yung brush nyo ng nail polish remover. And that's it. Those are my tips on how to apply nail polish neatly. Kung may mga tanong pa kayo or suggestions, just leave them on the comment section. Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-hit ng like, share this video to your awesome friends, and definitely subscribe for more videos. Oh, and mag-follow din kayo sa Instagram ko. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!